How to hide story on Snapchat. So let's go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Take a quick photo or video to add to your story. Now if you go over our Bitmoji icon, we can see this story that I just created. On the other corner of our story tab, there is a three dots, so click on that and then tap on story settings. Here you can see my story and who can see my story. You can also choose between everyone, your friends, or custom. Now, if you want to hide your story, click on custom. This will show you a list of everybody that you're friends with. And just click on the box beside someone you want to hide your story from. Those people you selected won't be able to see your story. And if you go back, you can see that it is updating, and after some time, it will be a success. So that is how you hide story on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.